Hammer throw, first place, S.K. Nagulmira of Tullur. Third place goes to T. Narayana Swami of others. T. Narayana. Next is Shitapur, second place. Next long jump men finals. S.K. Mustafa of DR. Long jump. First, second place sir, first place sir. Third place goes to PGV Prasad, others. Sir, second place, MD. Very well, sir. Third place goes to TGV Prasad, others. Next, shot put men finals. First place goes to R. Vinay Kumar of others headquarters. R. Vinay Kumar of others headquarters. First place. Second place, MD Shahidullah of DR. Second place. Shot put second place. Iddar Kodanu 9.06. R. Vinay Kumar of others. Next 100 meters, second place, S.K. Mustafa of DR. Sounds పెట్టండి అందరికి ఎంకరేజ్ చేయండి. TGV Prasad, others. Third place goes to M. Sylvester of others headquarters. 200 meters, third place, M. Sylvester of others. Next 400 meters men final. First place. (400 meters finals). PGV Prasad of others headquarters. Second place goes to D. Kiran Kumar of DR. D. Kiran Kumar of DR. LSVS Nagaraju of third place. 400 meters. 1500 meters men final. First place goes to D. Kiran Kumar of DR. First place, Swami. LSVS Nagaraju of others. Second place, sir. V. Venubabu. Third place, LSV Nagaraju of others. Next, 4 into 100 meters relay. 4 into 100 meters relay. Yes, Prashant Kumar of sub-division, DR sub-division, first place. Naluguru, team Mottamu, I. Khazawali, D. Kiran Kumar, S.K. Mustafa, Naluguru. 200 meters, second place goes to others. P. Mohan, LSVS Nagaraju, R. Vinay Kumar, TGV Prasad of others. Third place, ready down in the west. M. Satish Kumar, M. Narsimha, P. Maheshwar Rao, M. Ravi Kumar, west, third place. Four into race goes to P. Lalita of Tenali subdivision. Third place goes to A. Tirupatamma of west subdivision, Soragaravalama. Kranti Sudharani. Next, javelin throw women. First place goes to M. Sivakumari of Tenali. Javelin throw women. Others headquarters. Third place goes to D. Madhavi West. D. Madhavi of West subdivision. Javelin throw. Second place goes to N. Kranti of others headquarters. Third place goes to P. Sudharani of others headquarters. Next to women high jump, ready down and first place goes to Lalita of Tenali subdivision. Second goes to D. Madhavi of West subdivision. Third place goes to N headquarters. నెక్స్ట్ రన్నర్స్ ఈస్ట్ సబ్ డివిజన్ రెడీగా ఉండండి.
అందరూ కానివ్వండి ఐటీకి వెళ్ళాలి కలెక్టర్ గారు అయిపోయింది 5:30కి
బాస్కెట్ బాల్ రన్నర్ ఈస్ట్ సబ్ డివిజన్. బాస్కెట్ బాల్ అదర్స్ హెడ్ క్వార్టర్స్ కూడా విన్నర్.
సార్ ఇలా ఉన్నాయి సార్, ఇంకా వెనక్కి రండి, కొంచెం వెనక్కి రండి.
సార్ అయిపోయింది సార్. సార్
అయిపోయింది.
ప్రైజ్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్